Have you ever wondered what would happen if you fell into a black hole? Would you be stretched like spaghetti? Would time itself stop? Or could you even survive and maybe find yourself in another universe? Black holes are the most mysterious and terrifying objects in the entire cosmos. They are places where the laws of physics as we know them simply break down. Tonight, let's embark on a journey to the very edge of a black hole and beyond. CuriGuys. Imagine a star much bigger than our sun reaching the end of its life. It burns out all its fuel, collapses under its own gravity, and a supernova explosion lights up the galaxy. But what's left behind is something even stranger. A point so dense, so heavy that nothing, not even light, can escape. This is a black hole. Think about this. If the Earth were crushed into a black hole, it would be the size of a marble. All of Earth's mountains, oceans, cities, and people squeezed into a sphere smaller than a coin. That's how powerful black holes are. Scientists describe the edge of a black hole as the event horizon. Cross this line and there is no turning back. Space and time themselves flow inward like water over a waterfall. Black holes don't just swallow matter, they also bend time. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity can stretch and slow time itself. Here is something mind-blowing. If you hovered close to a black hole, 1 hour for you could mean thousands of years for people far away. To them, you would appear frozen, barely moving, while you would feel time normally. And then comes the most terrifying effect, spaghettification. As you fall in, gravity pulls on your feet much stronger than on your head.
Your body stretches longer and longer until you are literally torn apart like spaghetti.
But wait, that's not the full story. Because what happens inside the black hole is something we can't fully explain. Let's imagine together. You are an astronaut and you decide to take the ultimate leap, a dive into a black hole. At first, you feel nothing unusual. You are floating closer and closer. But then, as you cross the event horizon, something strange happens. From the outside, your friends watching you would never see you falling. To them, you would slow down, freeze in time, and fade away. But you keep falling. The deeper you go, the more distorted the universe becomes. Stars stretch, light bends around you, and behind you the outside world looks like it's speeding up. Billions of years might pass in just seconds. And then you approach the singularity, the heart of the black hole, where density becomes infinite and our laws of physics collapse. What happens there? No one truly knows. Black holes aren't all the same. Some are as small as atoms, while others are monsters. At the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. It's 4 million times the mass of our Sun. And it's not alone. Every large galaxy we've studied seems to have one of these giants at its core. Think about it. Entire galaxies, billions of stars spiraling around invisible monsters. Black holes aren't just destroyers. They are also creators, shaping galaxies, triggering star formation, and influencing the very structure of the universe. Now comes the most exciting part. Theories. Some scientists believe black holes could be portals, gateways to other universes, or even shortcuts through space-time called wormholes. Stephen Hawking once suggested that black holes might not completely destroy information. Maybe Just maybe what falls into a black hole is released elsewhere, in another part of the cosmos, or in a parallel reality. Imagine falling into a black hole and emerging in a completely different universe, with different stars, planets, and laws of physics. Science fiction? Maybe. But some of today's best physicists take these ideas very seriously. So, what have we learned on this journey? Black holes are born from dying stars. They stretch space and time, they can tear apart matter, and yet they might also hold the secrets to other universes. They are terrifying, they are beautiful, and they remind us of how small we are, and how much the universe we still don't understand. So, I leave you with one final question. If you had the chance, would you dare to fall into a black hole? Be informed and stay curious.